have eyes on the vehicle.
Alright, copy. Signal picked up front of us. Vehicle Hotel Fox 28 Yankee Kilo Isuzu behind the vehicle at the moment.
Mnumzane lesitudio kuganda lapha emuva suku man finish suku lesitudio lapha.
Hello, my bro.
Oh, it's inside the bed.
Okay. Okay, umthunzi. What? Yeah. Yes. How fast? Okay. Betjom.
Ja, Oscar, hier voor de release.
Right.
Ja. Anton, ons kan nie aan het touwe.
It's inside, ne?
Ja, it's inside.
What will you have for?
Let me just look like that.
Maar hy gaan hierdie voertuig met die goed. No, handbrake is on. Ja. Yeah, this vehicle will go to Mbombela, ne?
Yeah.
Station there. It's fine. Busted. Here. I was thinking we're going to miss it, man. Wil jy 'n groter flits daai dan nie?
Asseblief. Dankie.
Daai ding maak
Yes. Ek dink ek wil net hierdie ding sny.
Kan ek kom sny vir jou?
Asseblief. Dan kan ek lekker. Two bites.
Okay.
Ek dink voor een ook.
Okay. Okay. Yes, ek en jy het hom soos in sekondes uit mekaar uit op. Het jy die bin gekry op die ander een?
Ja, nee, dis twee parte.
O.
Twee parte, ja.
That frequency. We know it's somewhere, but we can't know where it exactly.
Ask him if this car is also stolen.
Ek wou nou net sê, ek miskien moet ons omgaan.
What does he want?
Sit here.
Okay. Hy must run because laat hy sit. Hy kan nêrens gaan nie.
I can't go.
When Tembisa did he pick it up?
Usithola kuphi nendawo Thembisa wakhe? Thambeka.
Okay, in Tambeka.
Yes.
Danny, goeies. Umtunzi wena. Nga baba. No, that's my dog, that one. My shadow, that one. I was thinking she's going to catch them. But there's that wire there, so I don't know where this is going.
I don't think it's far. And there are police who are looking. I don't know what you can do. There are police who are looking for that thing for.
What is that side, my baby?
It's for railway.
Oh.
Yes, I don't think it's far. I don't think
It's fine. I'm going.
Yes.
We've got two bikes. Two stolen bikes.
Twee.
Oh. Yeah.
Three.
3 bikes.
Ek het die ander een gemis.
Okay. No, speak English. Sorry, non comprendo.
Hawu, wena isikhombe sabalungu la. Masithatha lomlungu le. Hawu, lesekhaya lomlungu le.
What are you doing here, Molungu?
Where you get? Ja, gaan nie.
Yes.
Oh.
Jy kan sê dis 'n
En
familie.
dat was Chonchi.
It's a family.
Ja.
Family.
So kan huisrowers of huisbrekers wees ook.
Yeah.
House robbery.
Yes.
Definitely.
Either housebreaker or house robber.
My see himself inside.
So he can walk.
Yeah. Let us enjoy. Doing house breaking.
You want to walk that way? Oh. Good morning.
Good morning, how are you?
Back in yourself.
I'm fine.
Left. Dankie. Colonel, good morning, sir. How are you doing? Lucky, thank you so much. I'm Anton. I'm from NoJack anti-hijacking unit. I'm bringing you some hijackers, white jackers, and
Where is the high tail?
it's
What's happening?
Yes, I'm from the bridge.
excuse me, sir. 3 motorbikes.
3 motorbikes.
Yeah, in the back, on the back.
There's 4 motorbikes.
How many?
Is daar nog een? Is daar nog een daar nie? 3 bo, nog een daar binne. Okay. We're gonna have to check the chassis on that one.
Akushaya net ngavimbi man. Kube right.
Hier. Kom hier. Kom hier. Plek. Sit. Plats. Plats. Daar. Plek. Plek.
No, it's not. It's just to get it right. Okay. Tell me when you are ready to start. That's more the engine. But I'm supporting this side. Are you right? Okay. Are you right?
Hey, hoe doen ze?
Uyamaliza.
Just be careful, huh? Are you right? Are you right? Yeah. Can I release? Okay.
Akona la mali.
I got C-track, sir.
C-track.
C-track.
Hoe meen jy?
Daai C-track. C-track doen die oranje tanks.
Okay.
Hierdie is ons in 'n bikebox.
Doen C-track. Moet ons vir C-track skakel.
Ons sal moet ja. Hier is die volgende.
Aliza. Ukona. Mangethi. Buya Mangethi. Mangethi. Hayi, no.
are you ready? Colonel, you guys ready there? You got it? Yeah. Can I pick up this side? Okay. You got it this side? Just take it this side. It feels like I've just unloaded a vehicle.
Is alles af? Dani, kom check gou vir ons hierdie een. Wat? Hierso vat die mes.
Dankie baie.
Alright, hou vas.
Okay.
Can I ask you, please, Colonel? Then I'm going to file. He's got that there.
Sirens wail, the night is alive. Footsteps echo as we start the drive. They can run, they can hide, but NoJack's right there, side by side. Through the alleys, through the streets, chasing shadows, pounding feet. Day or night, rain or shine, justice comes, we draw the line. No matter how far, no matter how long, we will run them down, we will stand strong. 24/7, any time of year. NoJack will keep you safe, have no fear. With the Almighty as our guide, with the shield we stand with pride. Blue lights flash, tires burn, one wrong move, it's their last turn. They think they're fast, they think they're smart, but we've been trained to track the dark. No surrender, no retreat, we bring the fight to the wicked feet. Not for glory, not for fame, justice calls, we know the name. No matter how far, no matter how long, we will run them down, we will stand strong. 24/7, any time of the year. NoJack will keep you safe, have no fear. With the Almighty as our guide, with His shield we stand with pride. Through the storm, through the fire, fueled by faith, we never tire. God's hand upon our chest, in His strength we do our best. Oh, so sleep.